Document360 works seamlessly with MCP tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, and Copilot. In this video, we'll explore the MCP Analytics Dashboard and learn how to monitor usage, adoption, and performance across your connected AI tools. To get started, navigate to Analytics in Document360 and select MCP Server. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find several key metrics, including the total number of MCP calls, success and failure rates, and the number of active users currently utilizing MCP functionality. You can adjust the reporting period using the date filter, allowing you to view data by week, month, or a custom date range. Next, scroll down to the MCP call volume section. Hover over any point on the graph to view detailed information, including the total number of MCP calls, successful requests, failed requests, and the overall success rate for that period. The MCP Tool Operations section provides insights into how different MCP operations are being used, including actions such as reading, writing, and modifying content. For a more detailed breakdown, review the MCP Tool Calls by Usage section. Here you'll see individual tool calls associated with each operation. For example, under Write, you may find actions such as creating or updating articles. Under Read, you'll see operations like retrieving article content. Hover over any entry to view details like total calls, success and failure count, and success rate. The Top Users section displays the top users ranked by MCP call volume for the selected period. The top 5 users are shown by default. Hover over any bar to see that user's total calls, success count, failure count, and success rate. Click View All to see the full list, where you can sort by call volume and search for a specific user. Similarly, the top MCP Clients section shows which connected AI tools are generating the highest level of activity. This allows you to quickly identify adoption trends across platforms such as Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, and other connected MCP clients. Further down, the MCP Search Tool section displays the number of daily search queries made through the search tool specifically. This is separate from the broader MCP tool calls. This chart helps you understand how frequently AI assistants are searching your knowledge base and whether search volume is growing over time. The MCP Analytics Dashboard gives you valuable visibility into adoption, performance, and usage trends across your connected AI ecosystem. By monitoring these insights, you can better understand how teams are interacting with MCP-enabled tools and make informed decisions to optimize AI-driven knowledge management.